You're not gaining fat because you're lazy, your body might literally be ignoring insulin. Welcome to FitTheory Science, where health and fitness are explained faster and simpler than anywhere else. Insulin resistance is when your body stops responding properly to insulin, the hormone that tells cells to absorb sugar from your blood. Instead of using that sugar for energy, your body stores it as fat. That means more cravings, more crashes, and more belly fat, even if you're not overeating. But here's the good news, you can reverse insulin resistance naturally. Here's what helps, backed by 2025 science. Walk after meals, just 10 to 15 minutes improves glucose control. Prioritize sleep, insulin sensitivity drops with poor rest. Eat more protein and fiber, it slows blood sugar spikes. Cut back ultra-processed foods, they wreck insulin signaling. Build muscle. It literally soaks up glucose like a sponge. Your body isn't broken, it just needs the right inputs. Like, comment, and subscribe to FitTheory Science for no BS, science-backed health that actually works with your biology.